Introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Imada. I'm a physiotherapist. I live in Multan. My hometown is basically Multan. And my father is a government servant. And I do practice as a physiotherapist in my clinic or running a gym. Or that is all about me.
Okay, so what would you like to change in your daily routine?
I want to like to change in my daily routine is planning a trip with my friends for different outings or to give some to take some adventures or to do some funny or magical things or go for trips especially on northern areas or to change my daily routine because it was a very hectic routine to attend the many patients or a long time spent with the patients.
Okay, so tell me about your typical weekday and your typical weekend.
Uh, in the past, my typical weekday is the day when I am alone at the home and some peoples are come in my home and I am very frightened from that peoples and that's time I feel very alone in my home and I am very frightened and scared from that peoples and I can't do anything to save myself. So that is the weekend.
Okay, so what is the balance of work or study and free time in your normal day?
Okay, I study. No, I balance my study. Recently, I'm graduation. Done my graduation. The study. My study is not be in only in the CLC, for the preparation of arts. Our maybe my daily routine is that after that I am checking my patients and and work with different people or with senior doctors. And after that, I running my own gym, ladies fitness gym. That is the gym all about this person.
Okay, so Shumaida,
Yes.
it's time for cue card. Here's your cue card and paper and pencil. If you want to write something, you can write it here. You have 1 minute to think, and after 1 minute, you have to speak 2 minutes continuously. Miss Ravi, and your time starts now. Please start.
Here my topic is a competition about in my college or in my schools that I enjoyed a lot. It was a sport color in 2022. I also take part on this as a playing badminton. So it was really good and environment is very peaceful here and very crowded in my university and. Uh, uh, there is a lot of games are present here, and it was a competition about about the prize is 10,000 and competition about different games, different types of seniors, juniors, and all about and also teachers are included in these games. Some who are playing a lot. We enjoyed a lot in these days and its duration is almost 2 to 7 days, 2 to 7 days, and price is 10,000 rupees. And I really chose to take part in this competition to because my basically my hobby is to play badminton. That's why I am choosing to take part as a playing badminton in this competition. So I think it is.
Okay, what kind of possessions show status in your country?
Status like upper class, lower class.
Okay, so in modern society is often called materialistic. Why do you think this is?
Modern societies, there is a materialistic because there is no emotional attachment with the peoples as compared to village people. Most of the in village, most of the peoples are very humble and equality and face equality with everyone, and they face equality with everyone, and they mostly like to introduce. Themselves and in modern societies there is a no emotional attachment with the people. They no give equality with the peoples and that's why I think modern society is materialistic related to their things like homes, cars, or and they take no care or values to the that people that come from the village.
All right, that's all for your interview.